Good afternoon, everyone. This is Virgil down here at Redo Banshee Parts and Accessories, bringing you another bike. As you can see, we have a beautiful blue 1999 Banshee here. Now let's start with the engine today. It has an engine with 175 PSI in each cylinder. I've already tested that. It has a cool head on there. And as you can see, the carburetors already have the Tours Delete done to them as well. It has a set of FMF Gnarly pipes. Also has a set of the CSFX silencers on there. Those silencers will clean up really good. I'll get those cleaned up. Those are actually Cascade silencers. Those are known for to be very, very quiet once they're packed and packed properly. In the video, you'll notice that these are not quiet. The packing is probably completely blown out of them. Comment down below if you'd like to see a video on me packing those silencers. I'll pack those if we get enough interest. Also, it has an aftermarket rear brake rotor, and it has a rear axle that is also aftermarket. I'll have to double check to see if there's any maker's marks on that axle and find out what it is exactly. So then the frame, it's, let's see, stock swing arms, stock A-arms. Frame is pretty complete. It's missing the headlight buckets. It does have all the other tabs, the heel guard tabs, the rear fender mount tabs. It has LED headlights, that's why they cut the brackets off. It has a gorgeous OEM factory blue seat. It has some aftermarket blue levers and aftermarket blue anodized handlebars to go with the whole blue theme of the rest of the bike. Someone painted the stator cover blue as well. Has a billet gas cap that looks like it's anodized in blue as well. This bike runs really good, 175 PSI in each cylinder. It's got a real strong engine. The engine's real quiet. You'll see that in the video. It runs really good. These are actually Raptor front tires on here, and the knobbies on the back are shop tires. I use those because we get a lot of bikes in that have paddles, and so I just swap the paddles out and run those knobby tires. I've had people ask about those tires before. Those are not for sale. All right, guys, well, won't be long and I will be taking this one apart. Again, let me know what you want to do with those silencers. If you want to see me pack those, I'll order up some packing and do a video on those. You can reach us on the phone by 541-419-6054 or at redo-parts.com. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.